Finally, I can get my nails done.
Trick or treat! Give me something good to eat!
What? But I don't have any treats here.
What? I scared you pretty bad, Susan, didn't I? Now, would you please give me that candy?
What are you even talking about, Sammy? I don't have any candy, don't you see?
But what? How? But it's Halloween!
What? Halloween? Already? No way. But I didn't even have time to decorate the house.
Hold on a second. What if we built a little haunted house? Then we wouldn't even have to decorate our own.
Sammy, you're a genius. I'll get the materials. You will help me, right?
So, why have I gathered you here?
Who's that?
Because you are the best of the best in construction.
What is he talking about?
I thought you'd know.
Hey, no talking. We have to save Halloween and build the spookiest haunted house ever.
Oh, I see.
You got it, boss.
And these are all the cardboard pieces we need.
Miss, we'll take it from here.
Huh? What? Who are these guys anyway?
I hired them. Work smarter, not harder, as they say.
Oh, yeah? Well, your plan doesn't seem to work that well.
A little bit here, a little bit there.
Oops, I dropped that thing. Ugh, hey, I'm stuck. Help!
Got you, buddy. Come on.
Look, Susie, everything's just fine. What did you do?
It's all done, boss.
All done? But it's upside down. How could you do that? Didn't you have a layout? Outrageous. Honestly, how could you mess up that bad?
But we were doing everything just like it says here.
Yeah, totally.
Oh, no! You're holding this upside down.
Oopsie, that's awkward.
By the way, I told you so.
Uh-oh.
This is it. Halloween is ruined.
Oh, Sammy, such a drama queen. It is all pretty easy to fix. Check this out.
Yay! That means we can get to my favorite part.
Wait a second, Sammy. This is a haunted house, not a Barbie house. Let's pick a spookier color. It is Halloween after all.
Actually, pink can be spooky too, you know.
Huh, no way. Pink is the least spooky color there is. Even a haunted house should have windows. Oh, we only have the pink one left. Maybe there's another color down there? Oh, Sammy!
See? I told you pink can be spooky too. Now candy, please.
Ugh, fine. You win. Here's your candy.
Yay! Thank you. Ooh, that's good stuff. And here are some window frames for you. Pink, by the way.
Yeah. The color pink can be spooky too. I can see that now. And this fits in here perfectly.
Huh?
And then he's like, pink is spooky. Boo!
Hilarious.
Hey, why am I the only one working here? Hey, are you slacking off? Where's the tower detail?
The what now?
Come on!
Here it is, actually. All done. Oops.
Oh no! Help me stop that thing!
Uh-oh.
Oh, my granny is calling me.
Hey, wait up.
Aw, Sammy, you okay?
Alive and kicking. Except now we're gonna have to finish the house ourselves.
It's for the best. You know how much I love to build. By the way, we need windows on the second floor, too.
I've got some pink foam paper here for you.
Thanks, Sammy. Give me just a few minutes.
Sue? Don't you think they are a little bit crooked?
They are supposed to be like that. It's Halloween after all.
I see. So, when I do something wrong, she reprimands me. But when she does something wrong, it's Halloween.
This goes here, and that's it. All window frames are in place.
Oh, Susie, you were right. Crooked windows look perfectly nice. What's that sound? Come on, monsters. I'll beat you one by one. Huh?
Come on, Sammy. The creaky shutters on windows are classic haunted house.
So, no monsters? Just a little bit more. Looking good, eh? What do you say about this, Sue? Ah! Not the rain! We still don't have a roof!
Easy, I know what to do.
What?
Here, check these out.
What are these?
Oh, Sammy, come on, these are roofs, see? You don't have to worry about rain anymore. I even made a roof for the tower.
But, Sue, don't you think the roof looks too boring?
Oh, I know what you mean. Let's add some shingles. And the last one. Perfect.
Hey, Sue, check out my Halloween costume.
Wow, cool.
It even has a wand.
Huh? Sammy, what did you do? Where did the haunted house go?
What? Don't like that funny guy?
Sammy, bring the house back now.
Okay, here it is.
Never joke like that, Sammy. I was so worried. It's like something is missing.
Easy, fellas, easy. There we go. Very well, carefully.
Why is this thing so heavy? Ken, are you carrying it all?
That's it. On the count. 1, 2, 3.
Finally.
Why, thank you, guys. It's just what I was thinking about. Now our haunted house will have a base.
Hey, no skeletons! The house isn't ready yet. Shoo!
Actually, that got me thinking. We can't leave the house just like that. We need a fence.
Sue, you're a genius. Really. But I'd better hold on to this, just in case.
This goes here. And we'd better secure the rooftop as well. Amazing! Do you agree? Then give us a like and don't go anywhere.
The most important thing about a haunted house is how good it is for trick-or-treating. This place doesn't even have a porch! This is a disaster! How could you forget about that, Susan? Halloween is ruined!
Don't jump to conclusions, Sammy. Especially when things are that easy to fix. So, what do you say about the suitability of the house for trick-or-treating now?
It looks so much better now!
Exactly. It means I earned a candy.
Okay, but use it for a good cause.
You bet I will, Sam. See? I'll do anything for our craft.
Whoa, how did you do that? Ahem! Abracadabra boom! Huh? Why isn't it working? Do I need to try again? Oh no, we're all out of magic!
In that case, let's keep going the good old magicless way. Aw, doesn't this ghost look cute? Boo, I'm the perfect Halloween spirit. I wonder if we could use this somehow. What is going on?
Oh no! Is that a monster? I'd better hide behind this tree.
Wait, Sammy, what tree are you talking about?
The one I'm hiding behind right now!
Hey, we could use it in the haunted house's backyard, right here.
So is that monster gone already? It seems like he is. Hail Timmy Dubba!
Haha, it was just me, Sammy. I guess my prank is worth a candy, and these are worth becoming pretty spooky tombstones.
Wait, so that was just a prank, and there are no monsters?
What did you say? Hello! Can hang on that awesome tree?
Oh, I don't know. Come. Hey, Sue, this nice skeleton wonders if he can hang on our tree.
Sure thing, buddy. There you go.
Thanks.
And I will add a moon right here.
Leave me alone. Shoo, shoo. Sue, the ghosts of past Halloweens want to catch me.
Sammy, they're just bats. Look how cute they are. They'll look great on the roof, don't you think? And our latest haunted house resident, an owl. Well, this is it. The spookiest haunted house is ready. Let's check it out once more.
Wow, girls, have you ever seen the better haunted house? I haven't.
You bet! And this tree looks amazing with that cute skeleton.
Sammy, our Halloween party is a total blast. Way to go.
Yeah, we're the best.
Where are your friends?
Hey, Ken, what do you say about my spooky outfit?
Oh, it's beautiful.
Sammy? Oh, where did he go?
Looking for someone, guys.
What?
Where's my mommy?
That trick never gets old.
Nicely done, Sam. Friends, thanks for being with us today. Subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you like the craft.
Don't miss out on our new super cool videos. Bye,